Okay, cross-referencing the traceability lot. This stamp here confirms the health inspection, correct?
That is correct. Everything is in order.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the right. Got it. Secure the pallet.
The system measures each yak hide bundle, with results automatically recorded. Our SPC initial assessment shows strong natural grain, however there are minor scratches. The pH level is within tolerance per the supplier agreement.
These are priority 1, grade A. Okay, take them to zone 4.
Production scheduling coordinators select yak hides from inventory for processing based on customer orders and cleans. Experienced inspectors assess the fiber structure, revealing hidden defects or structural weaknesses. Analytical chemistry laboratory conducts comprehensive material characterization using ion chromatography, analyzing sulfur and chloride concentrations.
The thickness profile on this batch is unacceptable, and the defect rate exceeds our tolerance levels.
We need to initiate a corrective action request immediately.
Integrated water management structure incorporates membrane filtration technology, removing particles down 7.25. Primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,800 liters of purified water maintained at 25 degrees Celsius.
Look at this section here. It's still stiff.
Yeah, the texture is off. We need to send this back for targeted cleaning.
This specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment, delivering 140 bar for intense. Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing amylase solutions targeting carbohydrate-based contaminants loaded into the drum along with the yak hides.
The contaminants are still present in the natural folds.
Agreed. These samples require additional processing cycles.
Final washing stage utilizes alkaline-adjusted cleaners at pH 8.0 for final treatment.
Specifics for chorus. A comprehensive rinsing protocol utilizes 6,200 liters, ensuring complete chemical removal.
The spectrophotometry results are clear, organics are low, and the pH is 7.1.
Perfect. Below 50 ppm. Let's move it to liming.
Liming processing begins as workers load batches of 400 to 500 kilograms.
Close-up view through tempered glass observation panels reveals the ongoing chemical reaction as the alkaline liming solution works on yak hide surfaces, loosening hair and grain layer. Leather technicians apply decades of industry expertise combined with modern analytical instrumentation, ensuring
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continues in the specialized processing area, where
The robotic arm ensures precise alignment before the horizontal split.
And the real-time monitoring confirms consistency across the batch.
The parameters look stable on the automation system.
the wet blue quality meets the exacting standards.
The moisture levels are stabilizing within the parameters.
Confirmed, the automated inspection system shows 0 defects on this batch.
The tensile strength on batch 47 holds consistent with the Yak specifications.
Excellent. The grain looks perfect for the premium coat application.
These results are excellent, exactly what we needed for the coat manufacturing.
Agreed. The data confirms the rigorous standards are met.
The chromium levels are stable.
Confirmed. The robotic feed rate is optimized.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where
Industrial-scale dyeing operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems.
Sophisticated dyeing and color application facility incorporates advanced manufacturing methodologies, automated material handling systems.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where yak hides undergo
Professional dyeing and color application proceeds as a skilled South Asian female operator manages the yak hide.
Industrial scale dyeing and color application operations process yak leather through pigment penetration and color.
The uniformity on this batch is exceptional.
The penetration depth meets the premium standard.
The spectrophotometer reading is a perfect match to the specs.
Good. Let's clear it for the next stage.
The spectrometer readings are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The crimson saturation is perfect.
Combining decades of expertise with modern analytical instrumentation, we ensure color uniformity and premium quality for manufacturing applications.
The spectrometer readings are holding steady at 7.83 microns.
Confirmed. The pigment penetration is uniform across the batch.
The moisture levels are stabilized perfectly.
Confirmed. The tensile strength exceeds the premium threshold.
The moisture regain is exactly within the specified range.
And the dimensional stability? Optimal for premium coat manufacturing.
The moisture levels are holding steady at 12%.
Good. The dimensional stability is perfect for the coat production line.
Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the yak hide materials through fiber manipulation and texture development.
The tensile strength is exceeding the required minimums.
Confirmed. The texture development is perfect for the premium coat line.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where yak hides undergo component preparation. Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continue in the specialized processing area, where yak hides
Industrial-scale precision cutting and pattern optimization operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and
of high provision بتساعدك تصميم
optimization on the yak hide is exceeding projections by 12%.
Good, that meets the sustainability targets.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where yak hides undergo structural joining and construction using industrial-grade equipment.
Advanced final quality control and packaging continues in the specialized processing area, where yak hides undergo inspection and product preparation.
How are the tensile strength reports looking?
All green. The yak leather is exceeding specifications.
Final inspection clear. All critical parameters are within tolerance.
Excellent. Proceed with crating.